The third test of split-phase pure sine wave, low-frequency inverter before packaging. Use a multimeter to check whether the AC output voltage is the same as that of the inverter and test instrument. Test whether the inverter automatically switches to use the battery to power the load when the mains voltage is high or low. When the battery voltage is low, the inverter automatically switches to using mains power to power the load. Connect a Wi-Fi module to detect communication. Check whether the inverter load capacity and parameters are correct.